It's your boy Gas Mask Gaming. Today we're gonna play Titanfall 2. First time I played it. I am sorry for not uploading in a while, but here's my punishment. I can only use handguns. I'm just gonna do a series of this. Every single game I have, I can only use handguns, so it's gonna be horrible. Oh my god. Already? Oh my god. I literally had stim too. I'm probably gonna chuck a controller at the wall in this video, just like a couple of the next ones. Oh my god, I have such good aim. I don't know why. I feel like I can fly when I ADS. I don't know why. Mozambique's horrible. That's why I'm going to wingman. Oh, dude, I've been dreading this video. Oh. I do not want to do this. But it is my punishment for not uploading, and I also got Battlefield 1, Rainbow Six Siege, and Apex Legends back. I thought it was illegal. Oh my god, this is the worst class of all time. Oh my god. Wall hang? Nah. Airborne. Yeah. This is what I wanted to do. Perfect for grapple, actually. Yeah, I really like this game, though. This game is super underrated. And pistol soft, that's all I have to say. I've heard this is good, they can use this. Oh, okay. Okay, maybe it is, but I don't know. My aim is not very good. Oh yeah, and my punishment is for this series, if I use anything other than a pistol, I have to delete a random video. Doesn't matter what video I delete, I have to delete a video. If I don't, I'm cheating. Also got my new wireless headset. Love it, love it. Sounds good. Mic is probably better. Oh my. Oh yeah, no, I can't use Titans either, so this is gonna be horrible. Also just got Rainbow Six Siege. I might have said that already. Oh. Of course, we were getting destroyed. If I was actually helping, it might have been better, but oh crap. Okay, if you land headshots, this thing is nasty. But, you know, knowing my aim in a game like this, where you constantly move, I have the worst aim possible. I'm a complete noob. This game's fun, though. Oh, crap. I have such good aim, don't I? I'm also quitting the second channel just because I don't play Rocket League a ton anymore. It's just like, and it's also like, why just have two channels? Like, why not upload on this one? So I will upload Rocket League on this channel again, but not very much. Because I have lots of other games to play. I've uploaded one video on this game, Road Company. That's actually really, oh my god. I don't know how I didn't notice them before, though. I think there's just air battle here, but they don't touch us. Alright, so. Why is a pistol a main weapon? This should literally be a secondary weapon. This. It's a pistol. Oh, I can't use my stupid Titan. Oh my god. This thing. This is so God. No, please, don't bully me. I only have a wingman and an RE-45. I can't use anti-Titan weapons either, so I'm screwed. How did I get him? I'm good. I'm so good. I'm goated. I can't wait to do Halo 2 with only pistols. That's gonna be so much fun. If you actually play Halo 2, you'll know what I'm talking about. I can use, like, map hacks and stuff like that, and grapples. Oh, please no. No, God, please no. Oh my God! Oh, I hate this. This is so dumb. This does have 100% accuracy, so I really don't have to aim. Oh God. Oh no. No! My God! This is so dumb. How do I spawn in like 30 grunts? And even have to destroy them. Oh, if you're fans of both Titanfall and Halo, let me know who would win. A Titanfall grunt or a Halo Marine. I mean, I think they're identical. They just have different weapons. Oh, come on, stop. God, he sucks! I like this gun. No, my God, am I about to die to grunts? Oh, I thought I just died to grunts. That would have been bad. Oh no, that is so dumb! How are we actually almost winning? I don't think that, like, that's actually, like, stupid. Oh, no, I should have made this video at a different time. Imagine if I would have had the smart pistol. So I cannot use Titan. I am sad. But that is very sad to me. Oh my... Okay, I don't know how I'm still alive. I'm really sad. Oh, stop it! I'm so sad. How are we tied? I'm using a wingman. This is so bad. I'm sad. It's the worst time I've ever played Titanfall. How? Why did my grapple go that far? Oh my God. This is dumb. I just walk around the corner and then see a guy get sliced in half with a giant sword. Oh my gosh. You can one-shot a grunt with, I think, any gun almost. Why? Stop bullying me. I don't like it. Stop! Why are you bullying me? Stop! How did they not kill me? They suck. I literally can only use handguns. I can't use anything. He sucks! Oh, you literally had freaking cloak on. Oh no, no! I literally ran into both doorposts. I'm a sad guy right now. Whoa! This is so stupid! Screw this! did. It says in the car. It says in the corner of dominating. What is that?
Titan ready. Call at any time, pilot.
No!
Pilot, your Titan is standing by. Call it when ready. Titan is ready, pilot. Standing by for your call.
My game
We are winning, but not by much, pilot. Focus, fight,
I
and win. Pilot, your Titan is standing by. Call it when ready.
But if I could pick up another gun. What? Oh my god.
Your Titan is ready.
I could have had.
Oh, greatest victory. Well done.
Decided to add this one wingman and the motion.
It is in your best interest to stop their evacuation.
Everything's bad. Oh my god. GG's. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Gasmask Gaming. I went through a lot of torture. And peace out.